Hey founders, in the next few minutes, I'm going to be telling you about the top 6 AI tools that you need to be using today to really grow your business or your startup. I'm the techpreneur. If you need a fully functional website, app, or SaaS UI in seconds, V0 Dev has you covered. Simply input the text description, or you can upload screenshots or even connect Figma files, and it will generate a clean, responsive UI instantly. It supports React, Shadcn, Tailwind, and you can even integrate GitHub into it. It's a great starting point for developers who want to quickly skip the tedious part of creating a front-end setup and setting a project. It just does it all for you. One of the great things about V0 Dev is that the code that it generates is production ready. The UI also it generates is mobile friendly and it's really customizable. So you don't really need to worry about things like responsiveness, cross-browser compatibility. It has a free plan with all the main features, but if you want more features and if you want to use it more, there is a $20 price to it. Have you used something like it before? Let me know. A strong visual identity is really important, and this is where Cray AI comes in. It helps you to create logos, stock images, stock videos, animations, all with simple text prompt or just by uploading a simple image. So it doesn't really have any watermarks. So you can use it to create social media content, website graphics, product images. If you're not a professional graphic designer, you can really hit the ground running. To actually get the most out of Cray AI is to combine with ChatGPT. You get the prompt from ChatGPT, you paste it in, Cray AI will do the rest. The main issue with Cray AI is video really saps your usage, can make it expensive. It does have a free plan with the core features, and it also has a paid plan that gives you more unlimited type access, but both are great depending on what you want to do. It really is a great option that you can definitely use. Have you used something like this before? Imagine you love coming up with ideas, but you need to pay a graphic designer, a developer, because you can't just make up the stuff by yourself. Well, now you can. Lovable does that for you in seconds. It can create full entire applications just with a simple prompt. It can handle the front end and it can handle the back end. It also generates the data for you, including the code, and you can also put it into a GitHub repository. You can also create an application from a screenshot or a design. This tool streamlines the entire development process from the initial design to the deployment, and it also gives you a preview of your application, and you can even keep tweaking it as it goes along. The main limitation with Lovable is that it is still not a replacement for a developer. The more complicated an application gets, the more it will start to hallucinate or it won't know what to do. So it's definitely a great starting point to build up an MVP. Then you can get someone else to improve it. What do you think? Have you used something like this before? Do you think it can really help your business? Let me know. Research can take hours or days, but with Google Notebook LM, it flips this entire process on its head. This AI tool by Google is designed to summarize documents, get key insights, and even generate research-based content all in a really short period of time. It's especially useful for startups who need to do marketing research, competitor analysis, and website that can crawl, and it can give you a summary of it. If your startup relies on producing high-quality data-driven content, this can be the perfect tool for you. While it's not perfect, the main limitations is Google is starting to make you want to pay for it, and because it is AI, it's not always the most accurate thing on the planet. It is better than having to zip through a lot of content to get what you want. Google's Gemma LLM is a powerful AI model that you can run locally on your own computer. You don't need to worry about things like privacy, subscription costs. You also get the ability to run an entire AI assistant all on your own computer. It's great for creating content, analyzing data, creating MVPs, and even coding as well. Like you can code entire applications. A major advantage of Gemma LLM is its ability to run offline, like I explained. You can browse the internet and also directly interact with web pages. So if you have like a complex PDF, you can just summarize it there. The main limitation with Google Notebook LM is it's all about your computer's performance. So if your computer isn't really powerful, you can still run it, but you'll have to use the lowest model, which isn't so bad as well. Despite the limitation, it can do a lot more right than wrong. Have you used something like it before? Office Pro is a viral YouTube video making app. It's an AI tool designed to help you create professional level content with video, audio, or written pieces in record time. All you do is you submit the video that you want and it generates shorts for you easily. The platform is really easy to use. You can either upload the type of content that you want, or you can just add a link to a video that's crawlable and it'll do the rest for you. A key feature is with this one is you can also use it for collaborating and coming up with ideas. It is both free and it also has a paid version. So with the free version, there is a watermark, but if you're cost conscious, it's not really the end of the world. It's something really great to use as well. You can actually run LLMs on your own computer. To do this, you can use Olama, but Olama isn't really easy to use. You have to use it through a terminal, and that really just scares a lot of people. But with Page Assist, you have a clean, easy to use GUI like ChatGPT, all in your own computer. One of the biggest advantages for this is, of course, privacy, since the data always stays on your computer. So there's no real tracking, no real leaks, and you can also use it without an internet connection. If you're on the road or if you don't have internet, you can definitely keep working with that. Page Assist also doesn't just provide a chatbot, it also adds powerful things to any LLM you use on it, like custom prompts, web search capabilities, and you can even scan images with it. With Page Assist, you can generate content, summarize research, analyze anything visually. It also supports different models like Gemma, LLM, DeepSeek, and other open source models, so you can choose which one is right for your computer. The main problem with Page Assist is that it depends on the performance of your computer. Have you ever used it before, or have you ever thought about using it? Out of all of the apps, which one was your favorite? Which one didn't you like as well? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to know. Do you have any tools that you like yourself? If you have discovered any, or if you think there's a need for a tool, also let us know. The last question I'm going to ask you is to please like, comment, and subscribe.